Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Removal. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the card reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the card reader board ribbon cable from the motherboard. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the NFC board ZIF connector and disconnect the NFC board ribbon cable from the card reader board. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the touchpad ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad ribbon cable from the card reader board. Remove the three 2mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the card reader board to the top cover. Lift the card reader board off the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the card reader board.